So I'm Simon Pearson, I'm Professor of Agri-Food Technology at the University of Lincoln and Director of the Lincoln Institute of Agri-Food Technology. And I've been working on the Reverse Gold project for the last 3 years with my colleague Emir Badiyi and our very important collaborators, Lapwing Estate. Now, the UK's got a real problem in that we've got lots of lowland peatlands which are emitting huge amounts of carbon dioxide. But we've also got to produce food sustainably. And ideally, what we want to do is try and sequester some carbon from the crops grown on the land. So it's photosynthesis, absorbing carbon dioxide from the air.
I'm Emir Badiyi, Senior Lecturer in Sustainable Energy in the School of Engineering. Emission from current agriculture practices and activities on drained lowlands produce 3% of total UK greenhouse gas emissions. Our food and energy systems are not resilient and need to be revolutionized to meet the food and energy requirements with no negative impacts on the environment and climate.
So the plan is to re-wet the peatland. Rather than producing food on the soils, we're going to produce short rotation coppice willow, and then out of the pyrolysis process, hence why engineering is involved. And because you're capturing carbon through pyrolysis as biochar, you can bury that carbon. You can also produce a lot of heat, and that waste heat's going to be powering modern greenhouses or even vertical farms. And in those greenhouse and vertical farms, we're going to produce food.
Reverse Gold was really born to develop a transition plan to ensure food production could continue into the future without having an adverse impact on the environment. This is a unique whole systems approach with land use change and bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, BECCS, embedded in its core.
So these are the transformational systems which we're going to see across the UK and in the world, which will transform the food system.